Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you are a student, so have your university email or student ID ready. Create or sign into your JD account and fill in accurate profile details. This speeds verification. Next, capture proof. A clear photo of your student ID, an enrollment letter, or a university portal screenshot. Once done, upload these materials where JD asks or link your school email for automatic check. These steps prevent delays and reduce back and forth later. Now move into the verification flow on JD. Go to your account settings and find the Student or Promotions section. Select a verification method, use your university email for instant confirmation, upload documents for manual review, or connect via an approved partner service if available. Fill the verification form carefully, include exact school name and enrollment dates. Make sure to check confirmation emails and the promotions page, because that's where the student discount or coupon will appear once approved. Finish by applying your student coupon at checkout and confirming the discount line item before you pay. Note expiry dates and any minimum spend rules so you don't lose the benefit. If the code fails, take a screenshot of your approval page and the error, then reattempt verification using your university email or upload clearer documents. If problems persist, contact JD support with your proof attached, explain the steps you took, and request manual application.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.